Welcome back, my amazing coding stars! Today we're going to kick off something super exciting. We're making a soccer game in ScratchJr. Get ready to code, play, and score big goals. Let's get started. First, we need a cool soccer field for our game. Go to the background library and choose a green field. Doesn't it look like a real soccer match is about to begin? Next, pick a character to be your soccer player. Will it be the cat, the bunny, or maybe the little girl? It's your choice. Now, what's a soccer game without a ball? Add a soccer ball from the library and place it on the field. Finally, let's grab a net for the goal. Place it on one side of the field. Time to code! Click on your player and make them just the right size to match the field. Now they're ready to play. Let's tell our player to start the game when they are tapped. Add the Start on Tap block to the player. Every soccer game starts with a whistle. Attach a whistle sound block to the Start on Tap block. Let's blow that whistle. Use the speed block to set how fast your player will move. Will they be quick or slow? You decide. Drag a move forward block to guide the player toward the ball. Let's see them in action. Once the player reaches the ball, send an orange message to let the ball know it's time to shine. Attach a Start on Orange message block to the soccer ball. Now it knows when to move. Let's add a kick sound block to make it sound like the ball has been kicked. Use the speed block to decide how fast the ball will roll toward the goal. Will it be a rocket kick? Add a move forward block to guide the ball to the net. Watch it roll. When the ball reaches the goal, send a red message to the soccer net. Click on the soccer net and resize it. Now it looks just right for our game. Attach a Start on Red message block to the soccer net. The net's ready to celebrate the goal. When the ball hits the net, let's play an applause sound block. Yay! Goal! Finally, add an end block to signal the game is over. You did it! Let's enjoy the game. Press play and watch your soccer game come to life. Tap the player, hear the whistle, kick the ball, and score a goal. Isn't it amazing? Stay connected, coding stars. Did you have fun creating this soccer game? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you customized your player, ball, or net. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed coding with us. Subscribe to our channel to join our growing family of coding stars. Share this video with your friends so they can join the fun too. We'll see you in the next coding adventure. Keep shining, keep coding, and keep scoring big goals. Bye for now, coding stars.